welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've been gone for some time because I got COVID, so I needed time to, rest. Ignore my dog barking, please. And so I have another contacts review for you guys, and this is with the company Billionaire Beauties. This is the packaging. Okay, so I will be reviewing 6 pairs of contacts today. They also showed some magnetic eyelashes that they have on their website, their card, and we have another card here. I think this company also is Otaku Lens, which is the one that I'm working with. The first color I'm going to be trying would be the brown sugar. Okay, so I'm back, and the color that I'm currently wearing is called brown sugar. I'll honestly say I like this color. It is definitely a brown color with kind of a darker brown on the edges. So this is it from a distance, and I'm zooming in so you guys can get to see it closer. Okay, so I definitely like this color. Yeah, the next color I'll be doing would be Lover Cloud. This color right here is Lover Cloud, and I would say I really like this color. It is kind of exotic, so it kind of has like a very light purple color around the edges, and obviously inside is a very light green. So this is it from a distance. Wow. Okay, I'm in love with this. This is a really nice color. So yeah, I would recommend you guys to get Lover Cloud. Lover Cloud is it for sure. For sure. I look like a little peach babe. I don't know. I like it. I love Lover Cloud. I recommend Lover Cloud. But now on to the next color. So I realized, like I said guys, greens are my colors. Like, I look so good in greens. I'll try Inspire Emerald. This is another green color. This one that I'm currently wearing is called Inspire Emerald. I really like this color. It's giving, this kind of green is definitely not a natural type of green. It looks too like a fake color, you know what I mean? Like, alright, I'm gonna zoom in so you guys could see better, but it is a pretty color though, but it's definitely not a natural color. Right, so this is Inspire Emerald close up. I love this color. It looks so good on camera. Green, olive. Okay, so this one that I'm currently wearing is called, oh, this is pretty. This one is called Green Olive. This is a very, I think it's a very pretty color. A very nice green. Like, I just feel like Mother Nature, you know? If I'm making any sense. Alright, so this is Green Olive, and the next one I will be trying would be Pacify Grey. I just realized like most of the colors I got were greens, but this is the packaging for Pacify Grey. So this one is called Pacify Grey. It definitely looks more green than grey in person. Is Smokey Greyyen. Toodles.